welcome back to my channel. Welcome those who are new. So today's video is going to be completely different, or me going back to what I used to do. So I'm going to be vlogging what I am going to be eating over the next few days or day. So yeah, so today I am having my Slim Fast shake. It has been good, but yeah, the only thing is, if you are lactose intolerant, I do not advise you drinking this if you're gonna go out. Even though I do use soy milk with it, it does contain milk, which it's not really great for my stomach. So I do find, I don't know whether it's that, I believe there's not like a high amount of milk. So I'm just going to continue on what I'm going to do for the day. So I have a shake, then I'm going to have a snack. So it's snack time, not quite lunch time. So I'm going to just do a quick tutorial on what I'm going to eat and how I make it. So the first thing I have is rice cakes. I just get these from Sainsbury's, and I'm going to eat one which contains 29 calories, and the rest of the nutritional values are good. Then I have some peanut butter. I usually use the organic one, preferably almond butter or cashew butter, but I don't have any at the moment, so I'm using this, which contains no salt, no sugar. It's pretty much natural. I'm gonna use probably about maybe a tablespoon. And I'm just gonna spread that over. I have some bananas, and I'm going to use half a banana. So I'm just gonna cut that in half roughly. That's that. Then I'm gonna use some honey just to drizzle, like probably around a teaspoon or less of honey, and I just drizzle that on top. So that is my snack for today. Pretty simple. Oops. Pretty simple to make. So I'm gonna have this then probably in about an hour, since I got some stuff to do. I will then have my lunch, which I've already pre-made, and I'm just gonna show you what I'm eating.
Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
This is my lunch. I have some cucumbers, some tomato pasta that I made last night with some mixed peppers, and topped up with some Lanchester cheese, not too much, just a bit. I've been trying to cut down the amount of meat I eat. I found out that actually helps me to lose weight quicker, and I just genuinely feel better. And also, I'm lactose intolerant, but I can still eat cheese, but moderate amounts, and I just be careful because I'm at home anyway, I'm not going out, so this is okay for me. So that is lunch for today. So guys, I can't lie, I am hungry. I know it's probably not hunger, probably have to drink a bit more water, but plan to have dinner around, let's say, 6:30, 7. It's currently 4:15, and since I'm feeling since I'm feeling peckish, I am going to have a boiled egg as I'm trying to increase my protein intake, and then probably gonna have an ice lolly because it's kind of hot, just to kind of treat myself. And just to add on to that, treating yourself, when it comes to, I'm not professional, but when it comes to you changing your lifestyle of eating, it's not wise just cutting off everything. Like, if you feel like eating a bar of chocolate, if you feel like eating a sweet, I don't see a problem with it, but it is down to moderation, but also cutting down, the amount of sugar you have as well. Yeah, that's literally about it. Today I haven't really had much sugar. I'm tracking what I'm eating using MyFitnessPal, and I still have a bit of sugar that I need to eat, bit of protein that I need to eat, and all of the good stuff. So I'm going to get that now and then continue doing some work that I need to do. Alright, for my dinner, I just got some shrimp, seasoned it with some salt, pepper, a bit of thyme, some garlic, ginger, and some chili, blended chili with like onions and garlic and the good stuff. A bit of lemon. I'm gonna have it with couscous. Kind of improvising, so I'm not really sure exactly what I'm having. I may add some stuff. But yeah, don't watch the pan, but I have some olive oil in there. Then I am going to put in some onions. Then going to place some big peppers. I'm going to add a splash of water. Then I'm going to add a splash of soy sauce. Then I'm going to add a bit of honey. Then I'm going to let that simmer down until it thickens and everything comes together. So dinner is served. So it's couscous with the prawns, and I added some mixed veg in there, and this is probably going to be it for the day. And again, having a bottle of water. My mum brought these back home, so I may have one. They're like oatmeal cookies. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want me to do more of these videos, please let me know. I am going to do more food videos on my channel, specifically healthy food, and just mix it up a bit as well. So thanks very much for watching. Please make sure you subscribe, like this video, and comment down below, and I shall see you guys in my next video. Bye.